All right, thank you for your purchase and congratulations on your wedding. So to use the template, just grab the template PDF and then click on this button. It will bring you to Canva, where you will have to create a Canva account if you haven't already. I am already logged in, so it will take me to this page. And then you click Use Template. And it's really straightforward to edit. You just click and then you just click and you type. If you want to change the font, it's up here on the left. You can choose any of these fonts. The fonts with the crown means that it's for a Canva Pro user. It says you can use the font for free, so that's nice. To center things, you're going to go here to position and then press center. If you want to make the text bigger or smaller, you can use these, or you can use this. If you messed up here is the undo button, or you could do Control Z or Command Z, I guess. Yeah, Command. Here you can change the color. You can choose whatever color you want. Undo. And to download, you can go up here to Share, Download, and then since this is a wedding invitation, go to PDF Print, and then you can download. And that's it for our quick tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And if you are interested in Canva Pro, there is a link in the description as well. Thanks, bye.